What up guys, I'm John Barker, this is the Skull and Mortar Kitchen, and today we're really gonna piss Terry off because we're doing another turkey video, only this time it's a turkey breast and I'm still gonna inject that sumbitch. Holler if you hear me. Guys, so last year we did a whole turkey, right? I'm gonna link that video up here with one of those card things. Maybe, I might not, I'll probably forget, but it's definitely on my playlist, so check it out. It's how to, smoke a whole turkey. But today, for those of you who don't want a whole turkey, don't wanna deal with the carcass, don't wanna deal with the BS, we are gonna do a straight up turkey breast. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to rub this bad boy down with some oil. Now, as you know by watching my channel, typically I would use a spray oil, which much to the chagrin of some people, I continue to do because it's literally the same oil that's in the bottle. That being said, I don't have any today, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour some on my gloves. I'm gonna rub this bad boy down. Make sure to get as much of an even coating as possible. It's very important. It almost kind of fries the skin a little bit, and it really helps the rub bind to it, and it pops that skin, right? You wanna be able to bite through it. You want crispy flavor in that skin. It's one of the most delicious parts of the whole turkey, so make sure you nail it. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna inject it. Only I've already rubbed it a little bit because I forgot that I was gonna inject it, even though I already told you I was gonna inject it and had notes to inject it. Now, you don't have to inject it. You can use a brine if you want to. That's totally fine. You can go straight out with no injection or no brine. Now, I don't like to do that on turkey because turkey is easy to dry out. It's easy to not have as much flavor as it could. So by injecting chicken broth into it, it gives me extra flavor, extra moisture, extra everything that I want in my turkey. So feel free to customize it how you want to. It's your recipe, it's your cook. Take what works, make it happen. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with some of this NA11, the everything rub. This is the premium extra spicy rub. They sent this to me and I like it a lot. It's got a high sugar content, as you can tell, so it's a little clumpy, but that's really a small price to pay for this deliciousness. It's got some fantastic sweetness, some fantastic spice, the right amount of salt. I really like this rub, and we're gonna dive more into this on Instagram and TikTok here in the upcoming days. So make sure you kind of give this a nice even coating. We're not gonna go over the top, but this rub is gonna help give color, it's gonna help give flavor, it's gonna help pull moisture from the skin, which again is gonna give us that bite through flavor. But we are not done yet. We're gonna head over to skullandmortar.com and we're gonna grab our God Save the Queen rub. Now, mostly I made this for beef, right? But it's also great on chicken. It's great on mostly beef and chicken. That's really what it's made for, but feel free to get wild, whatever your heart desires. Make it happen, I don't know, you can put it on anything. You can put it on some fish, some pork, I don't know, your friends and family, whatever. You could just dump it on random people, I don't know, but just buy it at skullandmortar.com. It's good, you'll like it. That's it. That's literally all the preparation this takes, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get it on the smoker at 300 degrees. I expect it to take somewhere in the ballpark of 3 hours, but I will give you an updated time as it comes into fruition. Remember, different smokers, different meats, different things are going to cause different times and different temperatures. So we wanna make sure that we get this to an internal temperature of 165 degrees because that's what's safe for poultry, my friends. All right, don't be a lunatic. You don't want a friggin' medium rare turkey breast. That's gross, dude. Guys, this turkey breast is done. It looks great, it smells great, the skin is popping. This thing is running juice all over the board. We haven't even cut it. So what does that mean we have left to do? Of course, we have to taste it. There's no other way around it, right? Let's get into this. Now remember, when you cook yours, this is actually 2 smaller breasts put together. So yours might look a little different when you cut it if you got one good large breast. Look at that. Wow, look at that. You see that juice running off of there? Come on, dude. Say goodbye to dry turkey forever. Look at that. You hear the skin crunching? You see the moisture on the turkey? Look at it, bro. Come on. Guys, it's time to get wild on this turkey. Look at it. Come on, dude. It literally just falls apart. That's how moist it is. Guys, I know I'm talking with my mouth full. I know my grandma's disappointed in me right now. But this turkey is amazing. Guys, you can taste the applewood smoke, but it's not too overpowering. There's a good taste of it. You can taste, guys, you can taste the smoke. It's not overbearing, but there's a good flavor of smoke. You can taste that NA11 rub, and it's fire. It's great. It has a great spiciness to it, a great sweet. You can taste that God Save the Queen, all the salty and pepper you need, garlic. I've heard a lot of people say that they don't mess with turkey because it's too dry, and it's not. Eat this turkey. It's amazing, guys. I appreciate you coming along on this journey with me. Make sure to hit that like, that subscribe, leave a comment, all that stuff, guys. I'll be back next week with a brand new episode. Let me know if you did this recipe, how it worked out for you down below. Let me know what you want to see in the future. I'm gonna eat probably this entire turkey, both of these breasts. I'm gonna eat them both, probably right now.